downtown Paw Paw, Michigan, the Spoon Up Repertory Theater is proud to present their latest performance in the first season.
As a courtesy to the performers, we have sent no flash photography to be used.
But keep that video camera rolling, Grandma.
And now, here's an advice giver extraordinaire, able to solve all problems of shapes, sizes, and subjects, an undisputed queen of my heart,
Scott!
Here she is now, our own